From Sooner Standards, breaking down tasks and following individual timelines for computational artifacts. A complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6APPD04. Students learn to break down tasks and follow an individual timeline when developing a computational artifact. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual project planning comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQIM-aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.